giant conclave, but then this plane flew by. So we're filming that instead. But now you can see this, hear this giant conclave, this cacophony of birds. Look at all these birds. Birds on a wire, and more birds, more birds, more birds, more birds, more birds, more birds. Look at all these birds. As far as the camera can see. Birds on the wire, birds flying around, birds in the trees behind the wire. I'm not at all concerned that I'm about to be the victim of a Hitchcock movie. Not one bit.